Hello again. This is Math 2231 coming to you from the College of DuPage, and the title of this lecture is Continuity and Differentiability Application, and this is a solution to the LSA I posed for you. As always, please be an attentive learner while watching this video. So the question that was posed in this LSA was given y equal g of x. It was a piecewise defined function, so y equal g of x equal 2x cubed plus x squared minus 3 when x is less than -1, and it's equal to minus the square root of x plus k whenever x is greater than or equal to -1. And you were to find the real value of k, which makes g of x continuous. And g of x to be continuous, the only place you really have to worry about is at -1, because it certainly is continuous here because that is a radical function, and it's continuous up here because it's a polynomial. Okay, so for g of x to be continuous, then the limit as you come from the left must be equal to the value of the function. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be plugging the limit is going to be from the left is going to be 2 times -1 whole cubed plus -1 whole squared minus 3. And from the right and at the point as well, it's going to be minus the square root of -1 plus k. And so we have this equation that we have to solve. So we do the calculation here. We end up with -4 is equal to this. We're going to square both sides. And when I square both sides, I'm going to find over here, when I square a minus square root of, you could have written this as k minus 1. I get k minus 1 is equal to 16. That means that k is 17. So the answer to the first part is k is 17. Now we're going to use that value in the second one, so we'll put the square root of x plus 17 there. And the reason that is true is because you see, if something is going to be differentiable, it has to be continuous. And so that means we have to use the value of k that makes it continuous for it to have a chance. But now what we're going to do is we can think about what is the derivative, which is a limit coming from the left, and what is the derivative coming from the right, and if the two are equal, it's differentiable there. If not, the limit doesn't exist. So when we take this derivative, we're going to get 6x plus 2, excuse me, when we take the derivative of this, we're going to get 6x squared plus 2x. And when we substitute -1 in there, we're going to get 6 minus 2 is 4. But when we take the derivative of this, we're going to get the minuses there, and this is x plus 17 whole to the 1/2. So this is going to be minus 1/2, and this is going to be parentheses x plus 17 to the minus 1/2, which is going to be here. And if we plug -1 into that, we find that we get -1/8. Since these two things do not equal one another, or actually it is g of x, is not differentiable at x equal 1. In closing, now more than ever, time is precious. Each day must count. Do the math, it will make you strong. And now more than ever, take care of yourself, because self-care is important, and take care of each other, because we're all in this together. God bless you all.